Some songs just get you straight in the heart. And this is one of these. It's written by the great Mark Ronson. Of course, it was covered by the wonderful Bruno Mars, but this is my version. I'll try not to cry. This hit, that ice cold, Michelle Pfeiffer, that white gold. This one for them hood girls, them good girls, straight masterpieces. Stylin', wildin', living it up in the city. Got Chuck's on with Saint Laurent. Gonna kiss myself, I'm so pretty. It's too hot, hot damn. Call the police and the fireman. It's too hot, hot damn. Make a dragon wanna retire, man. It's too hot, hot damn. Say my name, you know who I am. It's too hot, hot damn. No, I bad about that money, break it down. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. Girls hit you, hallelujah. 'Cause Uptown Funk gonna give it to you. Yeah. Uptown Funk gonna give it to you. Uptown Funk gonna give it to you. Saturday night and we in the spot. Don't believe me, just watch me, come on. Oh gosh. No, I'm good. No. Thanks for listening.